In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue if you're unable to change your location on Spotify. Start by opening the Spotify app and checking whether the country or region setting is available in Settings and Privacy. In most cases, you won't find an option to change your location directly within the app. Next, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Spotify account through the Spotify website. Once you're logged in, go to your account page and select Edit Profile or Edit Personal Info. Scroll down to the Country or Region section. If the drop-down menu is available, select your desired country and save the changes. If the country option is missing or grayed out, try signing out of Spotify and signing back in. Then refresh the account page and check again. You should also make sure that your Spotify subscription and payment method match the country you're trying to switch to. In some cases, Spotify restricts location changes due to account or billing settings. After making any changes, save your settings and refresh the page. Then reopen Spotify and check whether your location has been updated successfully. And that's how you can fix the issue if Spotify isn't letting you change your location. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.